Hey guys, guess what I am baking today? I am baking one of my all-time favorite desserts, chocolate chip cookies. I have tried so many different recipes, but this one that I will show you guys today is one of my favorite. It's the most perfect chocolate chip cookie ever.
Going to need 1 cup of packed dark brown sugar, which is also known as azúcar. And we are also going to add half a cup of regular white sugar, also known as azúcar. We are also going to add 1 teaspoon of espresso powder to the cookie mix, so that's going to give it a really nice flavor. We are also going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1, 2. We are also going to add the butter that has been in the refrigerator for about 15-20 minutes. I am now mixing it, making sure everything that was at the bottom is now mixed. And I will also add that to this mixture. And we are going to mix this until it's creamy and fluffy. I will now add the flour in 3 parts just until it's well incorporated. Going to fold in 2 types of chocolate. I have milk chocolate and dark chocolate chips because who doesn't like 2 different types of chocolate in their cookies? And these will be folded in, not mixed in. That's really good. And of course, you can't forget your cup of milk to dip it in there. A couple seconds. That's really good. You can really taste the brown butter. That's really good. Oh, wow. That's so good, guys. So just the same way that we bake these cookies and we use all the different ingredients to make them, just the same way, we are all the body of Christ. And we're all different, and we all contribute in our own ways to this community, to our lives. And the tip from this video for you guys is to be able to build a community between all of us. We're all different. And in order for us to get closer to God, we also need that relationship with others and to get to know them. And they will bring in their part of who they are, their personality, how they have a relationship with God and share it with us. And we could find other ways, different ways to have a closer relationship with Him.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the cookies, and always praying for you guys, and that you guys will have a closer relationship with God in your own way. So thank you so much, and God bless.